Quick question. Would you spend 10k a year on something you use 10 times? Because congratulations, that's boat ownership for you. Now, I buy and sell boats for a living, and I see this every single day. People don't underestimate boats, they completely misunderstand them. So let's actually break it down properly. Owning a boat versus joining a boat club, without the brochure nonsense. Well, let's say you buy a decent rib or a small cruiser, 40k. That sounds sensible, feels like you've made it. You're picturing sunsets, cruises, calm waters, maybe a smug Instagram post. Reality arrives about 3 days later with an invoice. So you've got an upfront hit, 40k to buy the thing, 4 to 8 grand a year gone instantly in depreciation. And that's before you've even left the slipway. You haven't burnt fuel, but you have burned money. So now the annual surprises. There aren't actually surprises. Your mooring, storage fee, there they are behind me, 2 to 5k if you don't have a trailer. And even if you do, there's still costs. Servicing of your engines and bits and bobs, 500 to 2.5k. Insurance, probably the same, 500 to 1500k. Fuel, 100 to 300 pound a trip, and that's just you being gentle. Repairs, probably another 1,000 because something always breaks. Boats are basically floating toddlers. So realistically, you're 6k to 10k a year every year. And that's when nothing dramatic happens. Now here's the bit that quietly ruins everything. Most boat owners use their boats 5 to 10 times a year. Yep. So you're paying about £1,000 a go. That's not boating freedom. That's a luxury subscription you forgot to cancel. Now, let's compare that to a boat club. And this is where it gets interesting. In simple terms, you've got a fixed monthly cost. You've got access to multiple new boats, no maintenance, no surprise bills. You turn up, you go boating, you go home. Simple as that. You use the boat and then you walk away like a normal person. No cleaning, no fixing, no lying awake, wondering what that very strange noise was in the engine the other day. And if the weather's rubbish, you just don't go. You're not being forced into a miserable trip because you're trying to emotionally justify 10,000 a year. So what does a boat club actually cost? Typical numbers? Well, you've got to join the thing. That may cost you 2,000 to 8,000 euros or pounds or dollars to join the thing. 300 to 700 a month, depending on the type of boats you want to use. Bear in mind, these boats' values are minimally from 50k upwards, so you get the opportunity to use boats well outside of your financial situation. So all in, you're roughly 5 to 10k a year, which oddly enough is about what most people spend maintaining their own boat. So let's talk about the side-by-side reality of that. Ownership, 9 to 18,000 a year, plus stress, maintenance and responsibility. Boat club, 5 to 10 at the most. Fixed costs, predictable boats, no drama. One drains your time and money, the other just gives you good days on the water. Ownership gives you pride, but also pressure, and a club gives you access without the baggage. It's the difference between owning a plane and just booking a flight when you fancy going somewhere. So, in closing, look, if you're out every weekend, fishing, water skiing, exploring, yeah, fair enough, ownership really does make sense. But for most people, you don't actually want a boat. You want the idea of having a boat. Try it first, because once the experience of boating comes to you without the hassle, you'll actually never look at ownership the same way again. Now, thanks for watching. Have a great day on the sea.